Hi guys, good morning. I'm Victor Saragan and I am your sales executive from Mitsubishi Peak Motors Commonwealth Branch. Ayun guys, hanap nyo ba yung magandang deals at promos para sa ating 2025 X-Force GLS CVT transmission? Ayun guys, napakaganda ng promo kasi pag sa lahat ng bangko, ma-avail natin yung zero down payment and of course, we have a free 1 month amortization pay after 60 days po. And of course, we have a lot of freebies na ibibigay din po namin yan during release po. And sa gusto pong mag-apply, pwede po kayong pumunta dito sa aming branch sa Mitsubishi Peak Motors Commonwealth. At hanapin nyo lang po ako dito. I'm Nick Tarzar, your sales executive na mag-assist po sa inyo. Yun lamang and see you soon guys.